1.3 meter slitting rewinding machine start button of the power. Start, stop, emergency stop. First, we need to adjust the blade. Loose this fixed part. Wheel is used for lift up the top blade shaft. We rotate, it is moving. And then we move the lower blade shaft. There are two half parts. We need to loose it and take it out. You can see, take this part out. And the same here, also remove the top half. Then take the lower blade shaft out. This side outside first, gear side later. If it is not easy to take out, we can rotate it, and it will be easier. Put the lower shaft on the paper core. Use tool to loose the nut. Then here will be the spacers and the lower blades. This is 10 millimeter spacer. This is lower blade. For the lower blade, when we load, need to pay attention to the direction of the blades. The width of the blade is 10 millimeter. For the spacer, we have 1 millimeter, 2 millimeter, 5 millimeter, 10, 20, 30, 50 millimeter. Then according to the slit size, we add the blades and the spacers. This is the 10 millimeter. This is the low blade. We need to pay attention to the direction. And then after adjust the slit width, we fix the shaft with enough spacers and then fix the nut. Use the tool for lock it. Load the low shaft onto the machine. This side first, gear side later. And then fix the other half on the top. Lock the nut. The same side here also. Tight it. Then use the wheel to download the up shaft later. We will, according to the low blades, to add or reduce the up blades. Move the top half, and use the paper core for support it. The paper core should be strong enough, and add the blades or reduce the blades according to the rear situation. And then put the up shaft to the correct position, lock it. Both sides should be locked. And then, now the up blades on the shafts should be loose, not fix them tight. Manually rotate it to the space of the low blades, and we can little download the whole up blade shafts a little down. Then manual push the up blades, touch the lower blades. Manual push it. Push all of the up blades. Due to up blades situation is loose, it can be moved. After push, you can see now up blades touch lower blades. Then we can use the tool for lock the up blades. Lock it. For all the shafts need to do the same work. And then this blades is for move the lower shafts so the up blades touch or without touch the lower blades. Now rotate it. The up blades separate from the lower blades. And we can little lift up the up blades. Then we need to feed the material. Take the shaft out, loose the screws. For the smaller material, can manual lifting. If the material is jumbo roll very heavy and big, you can use the fork for lifting. Load onto the machine and fix the shaft. Then feed the material. Please pay attention to the feeding route of the material. It is better feed the material same as in the video. Between the two rubber rollers, between the blades, and down the needle roller and between these two needle rollers. Put the material almost cover the blades we need, and then offer air of the unwind shaft. Fix the position of the material. Then we test the unwind tension. Now we manually pull. It can't be pulled, so the lower tension is too big. We need to reduce the value of the tension. This is up blade, rewind blade tension. And also here is the download rewind tension. Due to we only rewind one roll on each shaft, we can keep it with smaller value. While you need to rewind more rolls on the same shaft, you can keep it with bigger tension value. Here is the web guide. Loose the screw, move the web guide till only the blue light. Only blue light. Then we fix the screw. And then choose the auto button. The unwind station will shake. It is working. The web guide is working. We also can manually move the material, check if the unwind station move or not. You can see it is moving, so correct working situation. Now we can download the up blades and then rotate the other wheel. Make sure the up blades touch the lower blades. You can see they are not touching now. And then we one hand pull the other end of the material. Check the speed button. It should be 0. Then we press start button and adjust the value a little of speed. Make sure the part is fixed on the top blades. Avoid the up blades is wider. Manual slowly, we can see material is not below the right side blades. So we adjust the speed to 0. You can see here, right side, no material. We can little move the sensor to right side. A little. Okay, fix it. Then lower speed for running. Lift up the rubber roller. There is the valve at the side for lift up or download the shaft. No, download the rubber rollers. Here, after slitting, we need to load the paper core. We need to paper core. So normally The rewind will be one up, one down, one up, one down. Now only 2 rows, so we put one on the top and the other on the bottom. The paper core should be the same line of the material. And then the lower one, the same thing. Offer air for fixing the position. Use double-sided tape. Use double-sided tape for fix the film on the paper core. The same for the lower one. And then low speed running. Now we can open the blower motor. The blower, we can trim the wastage. The trim wastage can be blown out from here. It is moved out of the machine. You also can put a bag here or connect the wastage. So then after normal work, we can add the speed faster. The operate of the machine is finished of the slitting machine. We can check during the production. We can check the tension of each shaft to see if it is needed to be changed or not. Stop button. If laminating machine, the rotate direction also can be changed, but not for slitting machine. Here is the function for choose clockwise or anti-clockwise rotate. So finish of the